I decided to open an entirely new trading account with a small amount of capital, and together we will follow its development in a series of videos. For this purpose, I chose to use the broker IC Markets. I logged into the account I had previously created and verified and went to the real trading account so we could see that the account is real, its account number, and that it currently had a balance of zero. The next step was to fund it. I chose to deposit with a card and to start with a conservative capital of 1000 euros. I took out the debit card, I entered the information and pressed the proceed button. After a moment, I had to confirm the payment through the app, and after a few seconds, it went through successfully. Now it was visible that my trading account had a balance of 1000 euros. The next step was to log into the trading account through the trading app called MetaTrader 5. First, I entered the broker's server, then the account number, and finally the password, and I logged into the account. There was money now into the account, and the only thing remaining was to start trading. For the first trade, I chose gold. There was an obvious level of resistance that the price was very likely to break soon due to the expected results from an event called NFP. We set the take profit based on the level of a strong resistance. On the same basis, we set the stop loss level. It was time to open the first trade in the account. I entered the trade size, the stop loss level, the take profit level, and opened a buy trade since I was expecting the price to rise. After about 2 hours, the price went up, hit the take profit, and closed my trade with a profit of 18 euros and 30 cents. The day was not over as I saw another opportunity, this time on Euro USD. There was a clearly strong level of resistance. I expected the price to bounce off it since it had already dropped sharply after NFP. I determined the take profit level as well as the stop loss. It was time to open the second trade. I entered the trade size, the stop loss, the take profit, and entered a buy position. After about 3 hours in this trade and significant price fluctuations, I noticed it was forming a new resistance level. I decided to close the trade prematurely with a profit of just over 8 euros. I finished the day with a balance of 1026 euros and 71 cents, which was a profit of about 2.7% for the day.